Welcome to another tutorial. Sorry it's taken me so long to get another one up. I was moving and then I got sick and yada yada yada. You've literally heard every excuse. So today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the SUMIF function. Now, as you can see here on my spreadsheet, I've created a set of data on the left. I've got the date of purchase, the client, and the revenue. So the information I'm trying to gather here is how much revenue I've made with each one of my clients. Now, instead of adding them all up manually, which I know some people still do that, and you can if it's a small set of data like this, but most of the time we've got spreadsheets that are hundreds and hundreds of lines long. So we don't want to do that, so I'm going to teach you how to use the SUMIF function to do this. Now on the right side of my spreadsheet are my examples. The first example is for my validation. These functions have already been created. So example one is where we'll start. So we're going to go up to Nordstrom, we're going to go in the total revenue column, and I'm going to start typing out equals SUMIF. Open my bracket. Now I'm going to select my range. So my range is where I'm going to find Nordstrom. That's what my criteria is going to be based off of. But I want to select all of them because I don't want to just do one at a time. That would be manual, defeats the purpose of this formula. So I'm going to hit comma, and now I'm going to create my criteria. So I'm going to start typing Nordstrom out because this is what I want to sum. Now I'm going to hit comma, and now I'm going to select my sum range. So based on my criteria in my range, I want to sum that. So anything that says Nordstrom, I'm going to sum this column. So I'm going to make that selection, close my bracket, hit enter. Boom, matches my example over here of my formula that's already been created. So we're good, just so you can see that formula, and I'll also have it down at the bottom. Now we're going to move on to Macy's. We're going to do equals SUMIF. Open your bracket, select your range again, comma, and now we're going to do Macy's. Now, this is a point I really want you guys to understand is the way you type out or spell these names, they need to be consistent. So say I typed Macy's, but I missed the apostrophe. I just did Macy's, no apostrophe. Now I'm going to select my sum range, close parentheses, hit enter. Nothing's going to show up because it's not reading anything with Macy's without an apostrophe. If I were to go over here and be like, okay, that's what it is, then it would sum something. But that's not the case. So make sure you keep your verbiage consistent. So I'm going to go here, type an apostrophe, and now it's going to total. Beautiful. Now we're going to do that for the rest of these examples. Beautiful. Now we're going to do our little trick, Alt equals. It's going to sum everything above it, hit enter. Beautiful. Example one now matches this example, which should be example one, but whatever. Now I'm going to teach you in example two how to do that a little bit quicker. We don't always want to have to type out the client name. You never know how long your cell's going to be or how many characters. So this is a nice quick way to do this. So we're going to do equals SUMIF. We're going to go back, select our range. Now, instead of typing out Nordstrom, I'm just going to select this cell because it says Nordstrom. It's perfect. I'm going to go back in here, select my sum range. Perfect. Now we're going to do that for the rest. So we're going to do equals SUMIF. Select your range. Select Macy's. Select my sum range. Hit enter. Perfect. We're going to continue this down. Perfect. My next tutorial will be showing you how to use this for more of a personal budgeting way. I found a really cool way to do this when I'm tracking my finances. So stay tuned for that, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Please give this a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave me a comment. I appreciate you, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.